Many students are struggling to clear exams. But what is that one guidance whoever is studying? Because people spend hours together on the book. When they study, how do they strategize the preparation?
I read any subject, I never went with the mindset of mugging up or remembering things. First, I've always thought that I should understand what's there, and I think it's not possible for any person to remember everything that you learn at the first time you read itself. And for a course like CA, you need multiple revisions, multiple times of reading. Sometimes, even after doing multiple revisions, you might not remember, and I think we should accept the fact that this courses like that. You cannot expect to remember 100% of the entire subject. So what I would do was I actually cleared my CA final in 2 attempts. So I've evolved a lot from my first to the second time. I've changed a lot of things. The mistakes that I had done in my first attempt was decently satisfied with my preparation, but the way I approached my exam paper was not right. So the second time when I did it, I strategized it better by even planning of what question I would attend first, like the order of questions I would attend during my exam, and the time I would take for each question, which I had not planned earlier when I wrote it the first time. So I think more than planning and scheduling, you first finish all your classes for each subject, whatever you take. Do not switch faculties, because faculties and books, I've seen a lot of my friends who would switch from one faculty's book to the other. And I think that consumes a lot of your time to map what's there,
The
what's
style
not
of
there.
preparation and all.
And the mixture of subjects, I think it's individual for each person. Like, do one practical, do one theoretical, or do one whole subject at once and go to the other one. I did subject wise, like I finished one whole subject and then I moved to the other one. And the multiple revisions is a must for the course. So I think that's how it'll help you remember.